Another powerful earthquake has struck Afghanistan. On the night of September 4, the 5.6 magnitude quake hit the country's remote southeastern region. This was the third earthquake in just 6 days. According to a BBC report, no immediate details of the damage were available after the quake. However, at least 17 injured people were admitted to Kunar Provincial Hospital. Earlier on August 31, a 6.0 magnitude quake struck Kunar and Nangarhar provinces. Then on September 2, another 5.5 magnitude quake caused further destruction. Following this sequence, the fresh tremor on the night of September 4 once again shook the nation in fear. Meanwhile, with one devastating quake after another, the death toll in Afghanistan has risen to over 2,200. Authorities said bodies are still being pulled from the rubble. Rescue operations are being hampered as the area is mountainous and remote. On the other hand, around 3,500 people have been injured and more than 6,700 houses have collapsed. In total, at least 84,000 residents have been directly or indirectly affected. With 3 consecutive tremors, the country now faces the risk of a renewed humanitarian crisis. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.